So we live in a time when there's more corruption prevalent than perhaps throughout all of history. I'm sure corruption and darkness and evil has always been here, but now it is more obvious. The level of corruption, the level of wickedness that is going on right now is it's more obvious through the internet, social media, uh, information being able to travel at light speed. And a lot of people are uncomfortable in speaking up and in sharing and exposing the obviousness of what's going on. And the few people that are speaking up and saying what's going on get viciously attacked and shamed into submission by people that just viciously attack them and go after them with these low blows. And so I've had people who've told me they just forget it, they're not even gonna try to wake others up. And this is what I gotta say on that, because I have certainly felt like that in my life before, but I've realized that that is a weakness and that is not doing humanity any favors at all. And in fact, you are doing a disservice to humanity by not trying to enlighten and to try to wake others up and to expose the corruption and the darkness that is going on. Fools multiply when when wise men and women stay silent. Problems reign when solutions are ignored. And so if you don't speak up and you stay silent and operate under the, one of the many mentalities like, not my problem, ignorance is bliss, blah, 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 then understand that the evil will multiply and expand, that the fools will multiply, and the insanity will continue. And so you're not doing any favors by being quiet. You are doing a disservice by not even trying. Even if it's just people within your community, even if it's just your immediate family, even if it's just your friends, do something to try to wake others up. It is so obvious that society is under a hypnotic spell right now. Most of them have no idea what is even going on. I'm trying every single day to try to wake others up, to do my part and to ruffle feathers, even though that is getting a lot of people upset. That is okay. How other people respond and react to information is not my problem. That's on them and their level of maturity. So just some food for thought. Don't give up the fight. Keep up the fight. We need people like you who are willing to speak up and to expose the darkness and the corruption that is going on so that the light can prevail, that the goodness can prevail and win.